The NA39 series is specifically designed for aircraft noise monitoring, conforms to requirements of ISO 20906-2009, acoustics, unattended monitoring of aircraft sound in the vicinity of airports. Features: stable measurements over a long period, reliable recordings of various noise levels and environmental data, automatic identification of aircraft noise, periodic operation check of microphone is possible. The system consists of Environmental Noise Monitor NA39A, Sound Arrival Direction Identifier AN39D, SSR Receiver AN39R. First, let's have a look at Environmental Noise Monitor NA39A. The NA39A, which is a Class 1 sound level meter, conforms to various standards. 1/3 octave band frequency analysis is included as standard. Data can be stored on internal memory and an SDHC card. A GPS is included, through which accurate time and place information can be acquired. Connect a weather transmitter and save meteorological data simultaneously. By connecting a suitable external battery, it will continue to operate even in a power cut. Connecting communication equipment, LAN, modem, enables real-time data collection and remote control. Connect the outdoor microphone, MS11A, to NA39A. The microphone has an anti-condensation heater inside that counteracts the main cause of sensitivity fluctuations. An internal sound source for testing is also provided, enabling daily automatic sensitivity checking. All-weather windscreen WS13. This reduces wind noise. The bird spikes guard against damage by birds. Provides precipitation protection with an IPX3 rating. Connect microphone unit to identify the sound direction to the AN39D. The sound direction angle is calculated from the different times that the sound reaches two microphones. The sound arrival direction is calculated three-dimensionally using 4 microphones. Connect the SSR receiver antenna to AN39R. This receives the transponder information to get the information of passing aircraft. The NX39WR Real Sound Recording Function program is software for recording real sound. Using this PC software, recorded sound can be heard to evaluate whether the sound source is necessary or unnecessary. Also, a waveform analysis can be done. Various automatic recording functions are available. Event trigger, single noise event, aircraft noise, etc. Long-term noise event, engine testing, auxiliary power unit, etc. Interval trigger, record for a specified period at constant intervals. This is to better understand which natural environmental sounds periodically occur. Level trigger, records when a specified trigger level is exceeded. It is used for recording sounds you are interested in, which are not caught by an event trigger. Next, we will introduce the software.